It's fascinating, isn't it? The way we're standing on the precipice of a new era, one where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, but a potential colleague, or even a replacement. The question of AI employees, particularly at the intern or entry level, stirs a whirlwind of thoughts. What does this mean for the future of work? I find myself oscillating between excitement and apprehension. On one hand, I see the immense potential for productivity gains, for efficiency that could free us from the mundane, repetitive tasks that often bog us down. It's a dream come true for many, right? Imagine an AI assistant that can handle the drudgery of data entry, scheduling, or even drafting initial reports. It's like having a supercharged intern who never tires, never complains, and can churn out work at a speed that would leave any human in the dust. But then, there's the flip side. What happens to those entry-level positions that have traditionally served as the stepping stones for many into the workforce? The internships that teach critical skills, the first jobs that offer a glimpse into the realities of professional life? As I read through comments from the Hacker News community, I can't help but feel a pang of nostalgia. I remember my own early days, where each small task was a learning experience, a brick laid in the foundation of my career. There's something irreplaceable about the human experience of work, the mentorship, the camaraderie, the chance to fail and learn in a safe environment. Yet, I also understand the argument that AI won't necessarily replace these roles outright. Instead, it might transform them. Perhaps the future of entry-level jobs will be less about rote tasks and more about strategic thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence, areas where humans excel. AI may take over the repetitive, mechanical tasks, but it can't replicate the nuanced understanding of human interaction. It can't feel, it can't empathize, and it certainly can't inspire. So, while we may see a reduction in the number of traditional roles, the nature of work could shift towards more complex, fulfilling tasks that require a human touch. Consider the perspective of someone who has run a small business. The challenges of managing every aspect of operations can be overwhelming. The dream of having an AI employee to streamline process, handle customer inquiries, or even manage inventory is tantalizing. It's not about replacing humans, it's about augmenting our capabilities. The automation of mundane tasks could allow small business owners to focus on growth, creativity, and customer relationships, elements that truly drive success. This isn't just a theoretical discussion. It's a real possibility that many are already beginning to embrace. Yet, I can't shake the feeling that we're entering uncharted territory. What safeguards do we need to put in place to ensure that this shift is beneficial for everyone? How do we prepare the next generation for a workforce that may look vastly different from the one we know today? The thought of students graduating into a world where their skills are no longer in demand is unsettling. It raises questions about education, training, and the very essence of work itself. We need to be proactive. As a community, we must engage in discussions about the ethical implications of AI in the workplace. It's not enough to simply celebrate the advancements. We must also consider the consequences. How do we ensure that the benefits of AI are distributed fairly? How do we support those who may find themselves displaced by this technology? There's a responsibility that comes with innovation, and it's one we must take seriously. In this rapidly changing landscape, adaptability will be key. The ability to learn new skills, to pivot when necessary, and to embrace change will define the workforce of the future. It's not just about being tech-savvy, it's about cultivating a mindset that welcomes innovation. Those who can leverage AI as a tool to enhance their work will thrive, while those who resist or fear the change may find themselves left behind. So, where does that leave us? It leaves us with an opportunity, a chance to redefine work and what it means to be employed in this new age. We can create a future where humans and AI collaborate, where technology amplifies our strengths rather than diminishes them. It's a vision that requires thoughtful consideration, open dialogue, and a commitment to inclusivity. As I ponder the future of AI employees, I am filled with a sense of hope. Yes, there will be challenges, but there will also be incredible opportunities for growth and innovation. By embracing this change and preparing ourselves in the next generation, we can navigate this transition effectively. Let's not shy away from the conversation. Let's engage with it fully. The future of work is being written now, and we all have a role to play in shaping it. Together, we can ensure that it's a future that benefits everyone, where technology serves as a partner, not a replacement. The dialogue has begun, and it's up to us to steer it in a direction that honors both human potential and technological advancement.